Hey, hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the error Java development kit or Java JDK directory is not set or invalid. So I'm getting this error over here. So this means that I have not set the Java JDK path for my Unity. So this error will occur like if you try to run your game in your mobile device. So as you can see here I have connected my mobile, it's showing Vivo and I have put in Android also. So if I just save it and if I just put yes and if I'm getting this error, so the only thing to solve is you need to go to Google or your browser, just download Java JDK and add that part to the fixed preferences in external tools. So I'm going to show you how to solve this error and let's get started. First just go to Chrome, okay, or any other browser, and just go to Google and type Java JDK, okay, JDK download. The standard version is 8, okay, so you can also download 8, okay. So let me show you the standard version. So Java JDK 8 download, okay, and just go to click this one and here's the official website, okay. So we just go and go down over here. So we are having 11, we are having 8 also. Just go to download 8, okay. Just click JDK download and here we'll be having for Windows, okay, Windows 64-bit, okay. So just we are going to go here and you can download here. Just click it and I accept the terms and conditions and just download JDK, okay. So it will ask you to log in, okay. So just log in by using your create account. If you don't have account, just create an account and just ask you some details. You can just fill those details and you can just create an account and your download will automatically get started. So after you are creating an account and signing in, your download will getting started. So as you can see here, it's downloading. It's like 169 MB in size. It'll just take a few seconds to download. So you have to actually like register, give you your details, like all the details, and you have to sign in. Just simple. And once your download is complete, just click it and just press open when done. So we'll get this Java SC development kit 8 setup. So just click next, okay, and it will have the Windows installer prepared to install. So just click next, okay, and to just show a status bar, just wait for the until the installation gets completed. Okay, so after some time of installation, you will be getting this like to select the destination where you want to install this Java JDK. So by default, it's going to install to C program files Java and JRE something. So it's absolutely fine for me and just click next, okay. It will take some time again. So after some time, you will be getting this message Java AC development successfully installed. So get the documentation and developer guide release notes. You can just go to that. For me, it's not needed. So just click close, okay. So now we need to go to the folder, okay. So just we can check whether it has been successfully installed or not. See program files Java, okay, and Java here it is. Not it's Java. So as you can see here, we have our JDK and JRE installed as well here. So it has been installed now, okay. You can see the time 17:06, okay. So now what we are going to do is we need to go to this path, okay. This as you can see here, when I try to run this code, okay, I will just click save. So it showed is saying me please fix in preferences external tools, okay. So if I just go to now you need to go to edit, okay, edit and preferences. You will be getting the option like in the bottom. Go to preferences and here we will have this external tools. So here you need to specify the Java path where you have updated. So it should be like correctly the path where you have placed your Java JDK. So for that you need to go to just click browse, okay. And as you can see here, Unity has automatically detected Java JDK. So as you can see here, C program files Java is showing the version also. So just click yes. Okay, and if you want to just go and browse, okay, you can just click browse again. And by this you can go also go manually, okay. Program files and here you have Java and you can just select JDK, okay, and just select folder. So it's the same thing. Suppose if what if is not getting automatically detected, you can do just go manually and do it. So now we have just done it, okay. And after setting the path, just come out of this and now. So now like after adding your JDK path to your external tools, It will ask you to like, can Java JDK access your firewall options? So just you click allow access. Okay. So now if I just click build and run, just click save and okay. So as you can see here, use ISO. This is not an error. So now I am not getting any error such as Java JDK path is not found. So I have successfully solved this error. So now it's just checking for compatible Android devices and just building my app in my mobile device. So I hope you would have solved this problem. And mine is a program channel. I've done tutorials in C, C++, Python, Java, Blender, 3D animation, and also Unity. So do check other videos of my channel if you're interested and subscribe and support me. And thanks for watching.